Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding 2 Minutes. Today we are going to learn string in Python. So what is string? String is nothing, it's surrounded by double quotes or single quotes in Python like paragraphs, headings and any things which is written in character value. Yeah, that's the string. So let's see how string working. So in Python, let's print a first string like I'm assigning a variable as a string like hello world. Hello world. So print this. You can see hello world is printed, so we can give either single quotes or double quotes. Let's print with single quotes and print this one. So that's it. This is the method of string in Python. So let's assign string to a variable. So I'm taking a variable as a var and assigning it to anything like my name and printing this. So you can easily assign string value to any variable. So what is multi-line in string? Multi-line is nothing actually. If you want to write multiple times of paragraphs or anything, so you by defaults like if you are using any program and you want to write something like instruction of how program working and how this line code is working, so you can use multi-line string. So in Python, multi-line string like this: hello, I am Abhishek, I want, sorry, by using triple quotes. So I want learn Python. So you can see, if you want to write multiple string, you can just do triple quotes. So you can directly do this, or either single quotes 3 times, and you can print anything like what you want. Hello, hi, anything. So this is the multi-line string in Python. So what are strings? Array. So like many other popular programming language, string in Python are arrays by representing Unicode characters. Let's print how it's working. Like I am assigning a variable as a equal to hello world. Let's print a1. So what will you get? E. Second one, 0 and 1 here. So you can see string is working like as an array in Python. Looping throughout a string. What is looping? If you calling anything again and again in function, it's called looping. Like if you want to repeat anything in string, you can loop throughout it. Like a equal to hello world, and for a in sorry for I in a print a. So what will you get? You will print hello many times. So this is a looping of a string you can give. And what is the string length? So if you want to get what is the length of the particular string, or any specific string, so you can give a prebuilt function by Python len. So how it's working, let's see. You can see length of the hello world is 11. So checking string. So in checking string, we will check like if particular string is present in the our string, like which is provided as a variable or not. So let's check var equal to hello world. If hello hello in var print. Yes. So actually, oh sorry, I'm getting error because of I have not provided as a string. So sorry, remove this one and write print hello in var. So you can see true, result is true. So yes, hello is present in the particular string. Check if not. So what we need to check if not? Var equal to my name print hello is not present in this. If not, so what we will need to use? Not in, not in var variable as a variable. So let's see what it's either it's working or not. So it's also true, it's not present in the particular string. So that's it in Python. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful and interesting, uh, do like, subscribe and comment. And yeah, don't forget to watch my previous video which is based on Jarvis, Python project, SQL and other job opportunity based project like Code for Good and how to get opportunity like internship and full-time roles in Twitter and Google and all. So yeah, stay tuned for more upcoming videos and thanks for watching.